If you find yourself unable to access your Disney Plus account due to a lost or inaccessible email, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Disney Plus login page. Go to the official Disney Plus website or open the Disney Plus app on your device. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process and guide you through the necessary steps. Step 3. Enter your account information. You will be prompted to enter your account information. If you don't have access to your email, try using your registered phone number or username if applicable. Step 4. Use alternative recovery options. If you cannot recover your account through email or phone, look for options such as live chat support or help center. Disney Plus may provide alternative methods for verifying your identity. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to Disney Plus customer support directly. Provide them with any information you have about your account, such as payment details or account creation date, to help verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Disney Plus account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from customer support.